Hey guys, this is Mitch. This is a bike check of my custom 2010 Giant Boulder XC. As you can see, nothing is stock except the rear brake and wheels, and hubs. So just coming around to the handlebar, my front brake is a Avid XO with a carbon lever, and I run X7 shifters, which I like the shifters because they're kind of really precise and they click nice and shift nice. I've got lizard skin grips that I've cut down, and I like the shifter and brake far away so that my fingers don't click them when I'm going downhill. This is a Travative Husfelt stem and Octane 1 Warp 1 headset. I would not recommend this headset. It has been very bad and I'm soon to be replacing it. Answer, Pro Taper, bars. They're pretty wide for an XC bike, but you know, I like it that way. And there's my pop lock remote for my RockShox Reba RLs 2012 that I'm running. I like them very much. Here's my XO caliper there. I just run a Larson TT on the front backwards and a cross mark on the back. I run that the right way. I've got a cable disc there on the back. Shimano Saint brakes, highly recommend these. Saint pedals, sorry. Highly recommend these pedals. They're excellent, except they like to piss out oil all the time, which is kind of annoying. And yeah, take the washers off if you go. Let's get these pedals. Dior XT crankset, bottle cages. I've got a Bioflex carbon saddle with CRN tie rails, so I assume that's chromoly or titanium alloy or something. I've got a Control Tech, the one team issue or something. It's very nice and it served me well, doesn't squeak or anything. DeBomb seat post clamp, and there's my Dior XT front derailleur. Dior XT crankset, I couldn't recommend it more. I love it so much. SRAM PG 970 cassette, which has been pretty good. I got my bike tire chain guard, which has worked pretty well. SRAM X9 rear derailleur. I really like this, and if you guys are thinking of running a cross of Shimano and SRAM, definitely do it. It's great. Like, some guys say it doesn't work. It really does. Works really well, and I couldn't recommend it more. Especially if you don't like Travative cranksets and you like running a mix of things. I've got Hope Blue headset spacers. There, just get the logo there. There we go. And yeah, so that's my heavily modified Giant Boulder. Thanks guys, please remember to subscribe and like for more bike checks.